To the weather with Tom Saunders. And Tom, as we heard earlier, the biannual State of the Climate report is warning of increased flash flooding.
Karina, that's right. One of the impacts of climate change is an increase in heavy rainfall events, and that's despite a reduction in total April to October rainfall for southern Australia during the past few decades. So if it's getting drier, why are extreme rainfall events increasing? Well, as water is heated, the molecules move faster. And the faster they move, the more chance those molecules will be separated. In other words, water will exist as a gas and not a liquid. It's the reason hot air is used to dry your hair and clothes. For every 1 degree of warming, the atmosphere can support 7% more water vapour. Considering Australia has warmed nearly 1.5 degrees since 1910, that's an extra 10% potential moisture. And as a result, the intensity of extreme hourly rain events has already increased around 10%. And as temperatures climb further this century, the threat of flash flooding will continue to rise. No rain for Sydney today. It was sparkling in dry westerly winds. After a low of 14, we climbed to a warm top of 28, 4 above, and the warmest day so far this month. After lows of 9, Parramatta and Penrith both rose by 20 degrees to their afternoon high, well above the normal daily fluctuation of about 12. Minimums last night were again below average throughout the state. Dubbo woke to a cool 6 degrees. Maximums were above average on the coast but below average inland, especially in the south under low cloud. To the satellite, that cloud over the south brought 10 millimetres to Bega this afternoon. And a high cloud band is stretching across the interior. Alice Springs picked up 3 millimetres today. On the chart tomorrow, a high is moving east from the Bight, although a trough above the surface will bring some showers and storms to eastern New South Wales tomorrow. Around the country, a warm 30 degrees for Brisbane, 34 with storms in Darwin, looking mild for the remaining capitals. For the northeast, a warm and mostly sunny day. There is the chance of afternoon showers and storms on and east of the ranges. They're most likely through the inland. It's only around a 20% chance for the coast. For the southeast, a cool night with fog on the ranges, then a dry morning. A medium chance of showers and storms will follow during the afternoon for the snowy mountains and the south coast. To the west, no rainfall tomorrow. A partly cloudy day in the south and a warm and sunny day in the north. On the waters, strong winds early south of Merimbula, otherwise moderate winds and seas of just 1 metre. For Sydney, down to 15 tonight and 11 in the west. Another mostly sunny day tomorrow. We're heading for 25 in the city and up to 29 in the west. The sun will rise at 5:38 a.m. and further ahead, mostly sunny Friday, just a slight risk of a shower. The coast will be in the mid-20s up to the high 20s for the west, remaining mostly sunny on Saturday, warming up in a northerly on Sunday, ranging from 30 to 34 degrees. That's ahead of a cooler change from Monday, Karina.
Thanks very much, Tom. Sarah Ferguson is here now with 7:30.